Yeah guys, we're back again with another vlog as I say. Another day, another adventure, so we're outside here. So today now we are passed through Island Village again. But this is not the final destination. First we are head on a little boat ride. But we are waiting for the captain. Glass bottom boat and all these things, you know what I mean? Pause. So yeah, we're in an Island Village. We are waiting for the captain as I say. Come and do some Zumba aerobics over there. So another cruise ship in port today. Yeah. Same cruise ship my old man used to work with, Costa. You see me? So once we walk up there so we can get a shot at a cruise ship. But for now, we just get like some juice from the little mini mart right here. Show them how I go on. Have the little mini mart right here. You see me? Can't get where you want and thing. But it's a bit crowded, so I'm gonna force myself up in there. So just have fun, chill, and wait for everybody, understand? Yeah. So just go and stay tuned, like and subscribe. And guess what? We're outside. Right? It's vacation time. We're outside. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Huh? United States, England, Canada, Colombia. Where are you? We're in Jamaica. Alright? Check in and watch what I'm going. Watch the music. Watch the music, you know, guys. You see? Ladies practicing the Zumba and the routine, you know what I mean? Got to be on step, you know, and you see? You know what this fun over here so do. Yeah. Island Village, Outros, you know? So I guess you guys can come join the routine. Yeah. Yeah guys, that is it, you know. Welcome to Jamaica, man. Yeah man. That is it guys, beautiful Jamaica with the cruise ship in port. Yeah man, I follow him. Man, them are rub down, you know. seashell, guys. Come on, you see the fishes?
Yeah.
Oh. Go on down here. We're going this side. Oh, that's a bluefish. Cameron. Man, I'm really good. Scarlet. That's not really a boat. Alright, them might do some work on that one here. Water clear and pretty though. Speed boating. Yeah. Got the tubes and stuff as well, guys.
What is this?
I'll reach there. Reach there. Here, Cameron. Here. Alright. See you, man. What you tell me yesterday?
Yacht. The boat. Come on, put a little extra for the number. Yesterday I eat the evening. That's why we wait so long.
Right, yeah.
Alright, come along.
Oh. Alright, let me go in first then. Them beach, the private beach, no? Oh, we get over there. Here, beach.
You go first and then we'll
Okay, alright. Well, listen to it.
Yes, boss. Okay. Come in, General. Just stick with General.
the boat ride don't go for long, eh? So they're not going to worry.
Yes. How you guys doing?
Doing good enough.
Alright, so it's a great pleasure to have you guys make it to Tony's Water Sports, alright?
Yes,
So
sir.
Captain J, that's your lifeguard Michael right there, alright?
Alright.
So we're going to the coral reef.
Yeah.
Tell you a little about the reef and stuff. Then we'll save the best for last, which is the dolphins, alright?
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. See glass spot over there, guys. Cameron, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Be a beach right here, guys. Cruise ship over there. Yeah. Look at these guys over here. You can see under the water can. I'm gonna put my key in my bag. You see, Carol?
So everything you guys going to see down there is alive and everything is a coral. This is also a nursery for the bigger fish coming as babies and go back out, alright? So you're most going to see some small tropical fishes. Alright, so this glass is a magnified glass. We're going to put things close to us. Alright, so right now we are about 8 to 10 feet of float, alright? So everything you see down there is alive and everything is a coral. We have different type of corals like the green coral, the mushroom coral, the fan coral, the cactus coral, and so much more, alright? And if you look to the right over that side, that's the barrier reef right there, alright? Okay. So the barrier reef is here to protect the island from bigger waves coming in to destroy the shorelines, alright? Yeah, man. And those things that you see like stone right now, that's the dead part of the reef. So whenever the reef die, take time, come out of the water, the new reef can produce underneath, alright? Yeah, man. So we have some tropical fish known as the parrot and the doctor fish. Those are the fish that take care of the coral and the reef, alright? But just not the coral and the reef, they produce sand in the ocean as well. So whenever they eat like the dead stuff of the reef and the coral, and they pass it out, they turn to sand, alright? So that's one of the main reasons why they don't allow fishermen to do fishing on the reef. That is bad for the reef, alright? Yeah, man. So right now you guys going to feel the motion of the ocean, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Mountain.
We heard about it, we haven't been up there.
Alright, look straight to the top of the hill. Yeah, so right up there, so you know, it starts from a lower part where you sit in the zipline chair, and I bring you straight to the top of the hill where you can find the bobsled and the ragamuffin and so much more activities, alright? So you see that white stuff over there? We Jamaican call it mall, alright? But different person from different country, they call it the limestone and gypsum stone, alright? Yeah, man. So you have the backside ship come right here to collect it, where they export it into a foreign country where they use it to make toothpaste, baking soda, soap and other stuff, alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See, Carol?
Background, no problem, alright? So everybody just slide up to the front to get the background, alright?
Yeah. Right here, sir?
Alright, I want you to see something first. Look down in the glass for me. We're going to show you the underwater jump off. It's going to move from 50 feet to 150. So we're going to show you where Nemo get lost in the net reef, yeah?
Cameron, dolphin. Over oh, there's one. See my pool lady right now.
So they have some dolphins over here, alright?
Yes, sir.
They have like five
You see
dolphins,
Cameron?
five of them are feeding right here. You guys know that dolphins are very smart and intelligent.
Yeah.
Usually they use 20% of their brain, alright?
Okay.
Right now, really they are only 20% active. And the reason why they're active right now, dolphins don't sleep, alright? So they're active during the day, they extend active during the night. So remember, dolphins are mammals like us humans. They have to come above water surface to get oxygen at all times, alright? Yeah. This dolphin over here, they eat like 25 to 30 pounds of fish on a daily basis, alright? This fish is from they call it the big fish.
No, you watch your hand, watch your hand.
Watch your hand. Alright? That's because you're 16 feet now you have this water, alright? Yo, AK!
How the GoPro let me zoom in it there? Let me take the picture there first. Yeah, let me get it for you. Hold this one.
Up and down at the same time, back and forward, alright? So one knock from their tail can kill a shark. That's how powerful their tail is. And they can swim up to 25 miles per hour, alright?
Yeah.
I know I come about this information about dolphins. I used to work at the main dolphin farm on that side, so whenever a dolphin dies, they take them to the lab to research and they school us. So whenever we have a program with the guests, we can explain, tell them about the dolphin, what the dolphin did, and what they expect the dolphin to do, alright? So to show you, these dolphins have to go to the Moon Palace Resort, which is the all-inclusive 5-diamond. What they have there, the dolphin program, they're open up for the local hotel, alright? Yeah. So right here, a dolphin can live up to 40 to 50 years right here, but out there in the wild it's like 30 to 35. Because you know you have predators out there, up them and stuff like that. And if them injure, you don't have any marine specialists to come check on them and stuff like that. Right here, each and every morning before they do any activities, you have the marine specialists to check on them, make sure that everything is okay with them before they do any activities, alright? Yeah, man. They're doing some jelly right now. They're not going to do any jumping or nothing like that. They get them come out, alright?
Okay. See them.
Welcome to garden show.
Yeah guys, we leave from the glass bottom boat ride, you know. Come grab a lunch, boat race, jerk center. Yes, Cameron? Alright, go in the car. There, in the family. No, me have them, we're good. Yeah man, respect. See it there? Jerk center, you understand? So. Okay, kids now play soccer over the free there, so. Woo. Okay guys, as you see, got the pool for the Airbnb. We are going to chill. Right? So that is it. Yeah, we're in a 3 feet section, you know? That's the beach section over on that side. But we just have one chill, we are relax. Nah, act up yourself, you know? That is it. Should have a eating tub, you know. Go and check. But it's good to do. About 4 or 5 p.m. in the evening, so the sun is really. That is it. Oh, sister is swimming.
You just cut the ground now. Swimming?
You gonna learn to swim?
Yeah, no.
No, what you mean? No, you gotta learn to swim, man. Ooh.
No, I just...
Woo.
She used to swim from she got Somerset and nearly drowned out of river. Me I tell her so you could have swim when you did smaller. And go to the river.